Hi assemblers, Jan Hill, some assembly required. We're going to tackle two household updates today. One is replacing doorknobs, the other one is swapping out a screen that has a hole in it. When updating your house, one of the easiest projects you can do is update your doorknobs. Simple things you need is the replacement doorknobs, a drill, or you can use screwdrivers and some drill bits. I have an extender on my drill, Phillips drill bit, so I can get behind my doorknob. And I'm just going to be taking off the old doorknob and deadbolt. If someone paints the lock on, just take a knife or a straight, wrap it around so you can cut that seal and it should pop off. Also, if you're swapping out locks and you want all your key locks to be the same, you can take all the sets that you've got to a locksmith, and for a fee, they will change out the innards so all your keys match. First thing, put your lock in. On the deadbolt, it doesn't matter which way it goes as long as it fits in. Put the pieces together, line everything up on the locks, and screw it down. Now on this part, just make sure that little rounded area is facing opposite of you or your door will not shut properly. There's a little piece inside of the lock that controls your locking mechanism. You've got to match that up to what's on the doorknob itself. And there you go. You might need some adjustments on where this will fit into, but that's your latest and greatest. So we have a screen that needs to be replaced. There's a tiny hole in it and you just need to take it out of the window. What you'll need is screen, obvious, a spine roller, pair of scissors to cut the screen. I use a straight edge screwdriver to pull the screen out and a razor blade knife to trim it up once it's in. First thing that you want to do when you replace the screen is to take out the spine, which if it is a little tricky or hard to pull out, grab a pair of pliers and just start pulling. Any screen is fine to replace it with. They've got gray, they've got black. Cut it out to size. What I have right now is called No Sam, so when you look out the screen, it'll disappear. And I like that screen because it doesn't reflect, or you don't see the screen whenever you're looking at your windows. I also reuse the spine that I pulled out. You don't have to, you can buy new spine, but I figured if it's cut already, why not reuse and recycle? Once you get the screen in, take your roller, push it down and in. Make sure it's all the way down inside that groove. On corners, I take the screwdriver with the flat and make that 90-degree angle and back to my roller. Once you have your screen in and the spine back in, go over it the second time. That's the only thing that holds the screen into place, and you want to make sure it's well sealed or well dug in. After you're done with that, take your razor blade knife, and on the outside of the screen, start cutting away the overage or the overlap. Try not to cut your brand new screen, and it shouldn't even be there because it's nice and tight. Now you're ready for summer.
If you enjoyed that hint, hit like, and if you would like more updates, hit subscribe.